Hey guys, I'm with the all new Samsung WINDFREE air conditioner and say that if you lost the remote control or if the remote control is not working, how to turn this thing on. Because traditionally what we used to do is we used to remove this kind of front panel, and inside this front panel we used to have a small hidden switch beneath this panel. But over here, as we can see that even after removing the front panel, the secret switch is not present. So what Samsung has done, have they actually end up removing the secret switch? Well, no guys. What Samsung has done is actually make this very much easier. I need to draw your attention over here on this black digital display. And on this part, you can see that there's a very small power symbol on this top corner of the black digital display. So what we need to do is just press it like this, and there you go. Nice cool breeze from the Samsung WINDFREE air conditioner without the use of remote. Now by default, this thing is going to start in the AI mode, which is the default automatic mode, which means that everything is going to work just automatically and take care of your summers. If you want to see these kind of guys, like how to turn on your ACs without remote with respect to other brands, there are a lot of those videos available in the description below for you. Thanks for watching this video guys. Take care and have a nice day and happy summers.